Build and automate anything with Kimi K2.5.
You are wasting hours on tasks AI could finish in minutes. You are switching between 10 different tools when one could do it all. You are missing out on the most powerful open source AI that just dropped, and nobody is talking about it. That ends today. Hey everyone, I'm Ava, and I need to show you something that just changed the game for AI automation. This is Kimi K2.5 by Moonshot AI. This thing can build complete websites from a screenshot, turn messy data into working spreadsheets with formulas, handle complex multi-step tasks autonomously, and it is completely open source. Here is what makes it different. Most AI tools learn text first, then bolted on image understanding later. Kimi K2.5 was trained from the ground up on 15 trillion tokens of mixed visual and text data. So when you give it an image and ask it to code something, it actually understands design, layout, and user experience, not just pixels. Visual coding. Take a screenshot of any website or design mockup. Upload it to Kimi K2.5. It writes the complete code to build it. Pixel-perfect recreation with working interactions and animations. In their official demo, they showed it an image of a Matisse painting called La Danse. Kimi K2.5 analyzed the colors and composition, then built a complete working web page that captured that artistic style, with animations, with interactions, ready to deploy. But here is where it gets wild. Kimi K2.5 has built-in agent capabilities. It can plan tasks, use tools, execute complex workflows, and for paid users, there is Agent Swarm, a premium feature that splits work across up to 100 specialized agents working in parallel. 4.5 times faster for massive research projects, still in beta but shows where this technology is heading. Let me give you practical use cases. Document automation. Create complete Word documents, PDFs with latex equations, presentations, Excel financial models with pivot tables and linked formulas, production-ready files from simple descriptions. It can research topics and compile structured documents with real information. Web development. Build complete websites from descriptions or visual references. Want a social media style interface? It can generate functional websites with layouts, interactions, and responsive design, all from a simple description or image. The visual debugging is next level. Most coding assistants cannot see what they made. Kimi K2.5 visually inspects its own output, sees what is wrong, fixes it automatically. Data analysis. Describe what you need. It builds the spreadsheet, adds formulas, creates pivot tables, generates charts that update when data changes. Financial modeling, sales analysis, budget tracking, all automated. Research and synthesis. The agent mode gathers information from multiple sources, examines topics from different angles, synthesizes findings into clear reports, industry analysis, academic research, competitive intelligence. When I first started using tools like this, I was overwhelmed. So many AI models, so many claims. Hard to know what actually works. That is when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom, with over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. People testing these tools in real businesses. If you are serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. How you actually access this. 4 modes. Instant mode for quick responses. Thinking mode for deeper reasoning. Agent mode for complex tasks with tool use. And Agent Swarm mode for premium users who need massive parallel processing. Free access through the Kimi website with usage limits. Mobile app available. For developers, the API costs 60 cents per million input tokens, $3 per million output tokens. But here's something cool. NVIDIA NIMS offers completely free API access right now. Visit the platform, search for Kimi K2.5, test it in your browser, upload images, run multimodal prompts. Want the API code? Click View Code, log in with your NVIDIA account. They auto-generate an API key, copy-paste into Python. Done. It is truly open source. Modified MIT license. Model weights on Hugging Face. Fair warning though, 1 trillion parameters, 600 gigabytes quantized. You need serious hardware to run locally. Multiple high-end GPUs. For most people, API is more practical. Kimi Code is a command line tool that integrates with VS Code, Cursor, and Z. Takes images and videos as input, show it a workflow video, it writes code to automate it, show it a design, it codes it, write in your terminal, performance benchmarks. 50.2% on humanities last exam with tools, 96.1% on AMY 2025, 76.8% on SWE bench verified. These scores match GPT 5.2, Claude Opus 4.5, and Gemini 3 Pro, except this is open source and more affordable. Context window is 256,000 tokens. You can feed it entire code bases, long documents, multiple files at once, specific workflows. Small business owner needs a client proposal. Describe it to Kimi K2.5. It generates a Word document. Data analysis in Excel. Charts linked. Presentation included. All production ready. Developer building a new feature. Upload design mockup with Kimi Code. It writes front-end code. Matches design. Handles responsiveness. Adds interactions. Hours of work done in minutes. Research a complex topic. The agent mode tackles different angles, gathers sources, analyzes findings, synthesizes into comprehensive report. Messy dataset needs cleaning and analysis. Describe it. Kimi K2.5 builds the spreadsheet, writes formulas, creates pivot tables, generates charts. The key is autonomy. You describe the end goal, it figures out the steps, executes them, shows the result. You are not prompting it 50 times. Some limitations. Local deployment is tough without enterprise hardware. API access is the practical route for most people. Agent Swarm is premium only. The free tier gives you instant thinking and basic agent modes, which handle most tasks. Free tier has usage limits. Heavy use needs paid plan or API credits. Still affordable. Here's what I recommend. Start with free access through Kimi.com or NVIDIA NIMs. Test it on real tasks you actually need to do. Try visual coding if you build interfaces. Try the agent mode for research. Try office automation for documents. Give it real-world problems. See if it improves your workflow. If you are a developer, install Kimi Code. Integrate with your IDE. Test image to code workflow. Try it on a real project. If you are looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What is working? What is not? Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It has helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Kimi K2.5 represents a shift, not just a better chatbot, a multimodal agent system that builds things, automates workflows, coordinates specialized tasks, and it is open source. Visual understanding combined with code generation changes how we interact with AI. Show it what you want instead of describing it. More natural, faster, you see a design, show the AI, it builds it. The agent capabilities give us AI that can plan multi-step tasks, use tools, coordinate complex workflows. This is how humans work on projects. Now AI can too. For anyone building products, creating content, or managing workflows, Kimi K2.5 is worth understanding. Even if you do not use it as your primary tool, knowing what is possible helps you think differently about AI. The open source nature means flexibility. Run it yourself if needed. Integrate into your tools. Customize for your needs. Start exploring. Test it on real tasks. Push its limits. Find where it fits in your workflow. Go test it. See what you can build. Links in the description for AI Profit Boardroom, AI Success Lab. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.